Welcome to Amman High School Academic Competition 2022. This competition will be between Year 9 boys and Year 9 girls. The questions are drawn across all the subjects that you currently do, and as I've explained earlier, the first segment from the quiz hall, that is numbers 1 to 8, there are multiple choice questions. For every correct question, the team will get 5 marks. On the other hand, for questions 9 to 12, each question, right answer for every question will be awarded 2, and these questions can be passed to the opponent team, and that team will get half of that marks, that's 1. So let's go to the first segment. The girls, can you choose a number from the question down there? One person to speak? No. Choose random 1 to 8. Number 4. Okay. The girls? The girls, yes. Okay. This is an ICT question. Which of the following is both input and output device? Camera, sensor, touch screen, and microphone. You click the bell, then you go. Yes? C. Touch screen. That's correct. 5 marks for the girls. The boys, which number do you pick from the question board?
Number 1.
Number 1 is. Yes. Can you read this question?
أتفيز في كل ما يكتب ألف الفشور باء الخيانة تاء كلمة صحيح.
What does the team get? Team. That is incorrect. So 0 awarded there. Girls, to your ball, back again to your ball. Which question do you pick? Speak. Yes. Okay. This is a biology question. Which of the following organisms is not a multicellular organism? A. Plasmodium. B. Plant. C. Animal. D. Algae. Plasmodium A. That's right. Okay, this is a mark question. A rare stamp is worth 2,500 euros and depreciates by 8% per annum. The value of the stamp after 1 year is 2,700, 200, 2,300, or 2,508. You have 1 minute for that, so I allow you 30 extra seconds. It's a mark question. C. Okay. That's correct. C. Okay, girls. Girls, which number? Number 5. Okay. This is a math question. You have 1 minute for it. If you think of a number and multiply it by 5, then you add 15, and the result is 100. What is the number? 23, 25, 17, or 9? You have 30 more seconds after that. I will check it. 20 seconds. Ten seconds. Choose the 20 seconds. Yes. None. 17. Okay. Let's go to the boys.
Question 4.
Question 4. Yes. This is a physics question. What is velocity? Speed with the direction. Speed in space. Speed or d distance. Yes.
8.
Speed in the direction. That is correct for the boys. The girls, choose a number.
8.
Number 8. 8, yes. Okay, this is a chemistry question. Which of these groups in periodic table is named alkaline earth metal? Group 1, group 8, yes. Group 2. Correct. Yes. The boys, choose a number.
5.
Number 5. Okay, this is also this is an ICT question. Which of the following devices is used to read barcodes on item? OCR, OMR, barcode reader, biometric scanner.
Barcode reader.
Barcode reader. That's right. We have 5 marks. Okay, the girls. Which number?
1, 3, 6, 7.
Yes. 1, 3, 6, and 7. The questions that you still have 1, 3, 6, and 7.
6.
6? Yes. This is a chemistry question. Which of the following is an example of chemical change? Heating ice to turn it to water, frying an egg, filtering solid copper from salt solution, and the last one, chromatography. Yes, frying an egg. That's correct for the girls. Yeah. We go to the next one. The boys. Which number?
They have 2, 3, 7, 8.
2, 3, 7, and 8.
7.
7. This is a physics question. Why is force a vector quantity? It has size. B. It has direction. C. It has time. D. It has both size and direction.
It has direction.
That is B. That's wrong. So that's 0. It has both size and direction. Okay, we move to the girls.
1, 3, 7.
1, 3, and 7. Yes, question 7 it is. Identify correct spelling. Identify correct spelling. You can move and look at them. You have 20 seconds. The first one. Yes. Wrong. Pronunciation, it doesn't have an O, so it's
2, 3, 8. 8.
8 for the boys. Chemistry question. Atoms can form negative ions by proton gaining, electron losing, proton gaining, or proton losing.
Proton losing.
Proton losing. That's wrong for the boys. It's electron gaining, 0 for that. Okay. Girls, you have 1 and 3 for this segment. Number 3. This is a geography question. Percolation water means water entering deeply into the ground, water flow over land, all the above, that's A and B, and none of those two. Yes? Which one? The first one. Water entering the ground. That's correct for the girls. Okay, the boys?
2 and 3.
Questions 2 and 3. Question 2. Okay. This is history question. In the developed world like European countries, which said that 80% have access to clean water, 90% have access to clean water, 70% have access to clean water, or none of the above. Yes. 90%, that is B. That's correct. For the boys. Okay, for the girls, you're left with
1.
number 1.
Yeah.
Number 1, the yellow one it is. This is physics. Change in velocity is called velocity, speed, displacement, acceleration. Acceleration. That's correct for the girls. Okay, boys. Number 3 for the boys.
3.
Okay. Which of the following factors does not affect the rate of diffusion? That is biology question. A. Concentration gradient. B. Surface area to volume ratio. C. Distance. D. Humidity. D. That's correct for the boys. So we are done with the first segment. So in the next segment, numbers 9, 10, 11, you'll choose them, but they are 2 marks. If you don't get it right within 30 seconds, it's passed to the opponent. If they get it right, they get half of that mark. So the boys go first. 11 or 12. Boys go first. 9, 10.
Let's go for 12.
No, this side, please. Sorry.
Oh, 10.
For number 10. Yes. Long profile of a river means what?
Where the river starts and the river ends.
That's correct. They have 2 marks. The girls, which number? 11 or 12? Number 11. The girls. Number 11. Okay. What pushes a plane forward? What force pushes a plane forward? That's a physics question. Yes. Force. Okay. Pass to boys. 5 seconds.
Motor.
Wrong. It's thrust. Thrust. The force that pushes plane forward is thrust. Okay. Let's go to the girls. I think the last question. The boys.
9.
Number 9 in that segment. 800 decreased by 5% is
760.
That's correct. Okay, last but not least, the girl in the segment number 12, the yellow. Yes. ICT question. What is Wi-Fi in for? Wi-Fi in full. Wi-Fi in full. Five seconds. Yes. Pass to the boys. 30 seconds. Ten seconds. Five seconds.
Wireless, internet, fiber.
That's wrong. It is wireless fidelity. Wireless fidelity. Wireless fidelity. Okay, this segment is finished, so we are going to the crossfire section. So, boys and girls, you can come to this table now. Okay. First of all, you have to, I'll read the question, and immediately the person who presses the button first goes first. If you don't, then you pass it to your opponent. Okay, let's get started. Roman number for 115. 115. How do you write Roman numbers for Roman number? No talking to the opponent. Let me repeat the question again. Face this one. This is one person at a time. This is a math question. You've been writing Roman numbers. Maybe, for example, 5 is V. So I want Roman numbers for 115. 115. Yes, you pass it to the next person. That's wrong. Okay, yes. Okay, no one got that. Okay, this is a general sporting question. This is a biology question, so it might be a bit easier. In biological classifications, the largest division of all living things is called what? Kingdom, that's right. Okay? This gas is produced and released as waste when a plant performs the process of photosynthesis. Yes? Yeah? Carbon dioxide, wrong. Oxygen, one mark for the point. Name the scientist who is most famous. Equation is E is equal to MC2. Yes, that's correct in the Okay, this is also a general question. Okay. The commonly used nickname for a comet is dash. Yes.
Meteorite?
No. Nickname.
Nickname for what?
A commonly used nickname for a comet.
Asteroid?
No. This is the question. What's the largest planet in our solar system?
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Thank you so much for attending today's competition. It has been so good. The room has been so warm, and this is what we need. Competitions, you're supposed to reason very, very fast. Like I said before, or like Teacher David said, we come here to compete and at the same time learn. These are the same questions you're going to find in your exams. So even if you lose, it does not mean you are dumb. It means you have learned something, so you're going to use it the next time. I want to appreciate the competitors. I want to appreciate the girls. Can we clap for them? At the same time, can we clap for the boys? This is the first class. This was the third competition so far. The first session we had grade 1 and A and B. It was very good. Then the second session we had grade 10, the boys and girls. It was very good. This session has been extremely wonderful. All the participants are so sharp, they are very fast, and that is what we want. In the world we are in, competition. Girls, you have to compete with the boys. So I want to thank you so much. The competition has been so tight. The first session, we had 8 questions from each side. The boys, out of the 8, they answered 5. That is 25 marks. The girls, out of the 8, they scored 6. That is 30 marks. When we went to the second phase, the girls scooped 0. The boys scooped all the 4 marks. So when we went to the third knockout, the girls scored 2, the boys scored 1, which made us go into a tie of 32-32. So when we went to define who is the winner, the boys managed to score 2 points and the girls managed to score 4 points. Meaning the boys have 34 and the girls have 36.